See some example problems. Now we are going to see to get 5 images of a single object, one should have two plane mirrors at an angle of. See here, number of images equal to 5, an odd number. In such a case, for all positions other than for any position other than bisector, n equal to m, that is equal to 5. Why you are taking like this? Because you are not mentioned that the object is on the bisector. That's why I am going to take any other position, and here I am going to find out the value of theta. We know m equal to 360 by theta, or theta equal to 360 by m, 360 by that 5 equal to 72 degrees. So this is the answer for this question. The mirrors should be arranged at an angle of inclination theta equal to 72 degrees. Next problem. See this question. Two plane mirrors are kept at an angle 45 degrees to each other an object is placed between them. The number of images formed are. See here, these are the two mirrors arranged at an angle of inclination theta, and this theta equal to 45 degrees. Here we are not mentioned whether the object is kept on the bisector or on any point. For that sake, you have to know that the value of m first. M equal to 360 by theta. That is 360 by here 45 is equal to 8. If m is an even number, for all positions the number of images should be n equal to m minus 1. So here in this case the number of images is given by 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 7 is the answer for this question. See, in this problem, a light ray reflected successively for two plane mirrors inclined at an angle undergoes a deviation of 300 degrees. The number of observable images that we have to find. See here, there are two mirrors which are arranged at a certain angle of inclination, say theta. There is a light ray coming from the object incident on these two mirrors and deviates through an angle delta is equal to 300 degrees. See here, this deviation is from two mirrors. So here, the first mirror has deviated through an angle, say delta 1, and the second mirror is also deviating through an angle delta 2. so that delta 1 plus delta 2 is equal to 300 degrees. See here, I am drawing a normal here. Say this one is I1, this one is I1, this is 90 minus I1. And here I am drawing normal. Say this is I2 and this is also I2. Say this angle is 90 minus I2. You have to know that sum of three angles in a triangle is equal to 180. That means theta plus 90 minus I1 plus 90 minus I2 is equal to 180. Therefore, directly you can write this theta is equal to I1 plus I2. What is here I1 plus I2? We know delta 1 is 180 minus 2I1 and delta 2 is 180 minus 2I2 is equal to total deviation delta. That means 360 minus 2 into I1 plus I2 is equal to delta which we are given 300. There that implies minus 2 into I1 plus I2 is equal to that 300 minus 360 you will get minus 60. Minus cancel. So I1 plus I2 is equal to 30. You bring this to that side, you will get 30. So here, this I1 plus I2 is nothing but theta. That implies theta is equal to 30 degrees. Here, I want, in order to get number of images, one should find the value of m. M is equal to 360 by theta. Then m is equal to, what is 360 by theta here? 360 by 30 is equal to 12. See here, m is an even number. If m is an even number, for any position of the object between the mirrors, n should be equal to m minus 1. That is 12 minus 1 equal to 11. 11 should be the answer for this question. See here in this problem, a small object is placed 10 centimeters in front of a plane mirror. You stand behind the object 30 centimeters from the mirror and look at its image. The distance focused for your eye will be. See here, this is the mirror. Object is kept in front of the mirror at a distance 10 centimeters. So that the image will be formed at a distance 10 centimeters behind the mirror. And now the person has stood behind this object in front of the mirror at a distance 20 centimeters. What is the distance of this image focused by the person's eye? So this is the total distance. This x is equal to this distance 20 centimeters plus this distance 10 centimeters. So what is the total distance of the person? See here, this is 30 centimeters you are given, sorry. So what is the total distance? That x is equal to 30 plus 10 x is equal to 40 centimeter, and this is the answer for this question.